Alright, so today I'm gonna be giving y'all 5 side hustles. Y'all can start with $0. Alright, so first we got this is gonna be like the best one for if you really got nothing. If you don't got no resources, you can start with nothing, like nothing around the house. If you're homeless, that's the best one for real. If you just got your phone, it's the best one. This one is like Facebook flipping basically. So you go on Facebook Marketplace, you look for free stuff, and you just post it for money. You might clean it up, whatever you get. And if you got like a vehicle, like a truck or something, you could do, because most of the time they be having a lot of furniture on there. You have to do furniture and like couches and all that. That's one thing. The second thing we got is washing cars. I might be like, I'm not about to do that, all this, right? But you gotta do what you gotta do when you just starting out. Like, when you don't got no money, you can't do what you want to do. You gotta do what you gotta do to get something. You gotta sacrifice. But, car washing, you just get a bucket. I know you got a bucket. I got them out the house. Bucket, get a rag, and some dish detergent. Or you can just look up concoctions to wash cars, whatever. But and just drop a comment, whatever one y'all want me to get more in depth to, and give y'all like a whole guide on like, so that y'all could actually do it or whatever. But the third one is going to be freelancing, basically different stuff. I don't know what that is, my fault. But if you got a skill, you could go on Fiverr and people will contact you, make an account and all that, and make your gig, whatever you good at, like that you like good at, whatever. Make a gig and people will contact you and buy services from you. Whatever you good at. It could be different stuff. Landscaping, editing, designing, anything. Marketing. Oh, that's the next one. The fourth one is gonna be social media marketing. Which, my fault, I'm a little sick, but social media marketing for small little businesses and stuff like that. I can get more into that, but y'all could just, to set yourselves apart from everybody else, instead of emailing businesses and stuff like that, y'all could actually go into the businesses that's around your area and speak to them and stuff. Y'all can email them first and then speak to them and stuff like that. Different stuff, but it's gonna take some time to do that. It's not gonna be easy when you start from zero. I just try to warn y'all that. But that's the fourth one. Excuse me. Let me see, what's the last one? Oh, actually, I'm gonna give y'all two more. Drop down in the comments, or like get this to 10 likes if y'all wanna me to drop a part 2 or 5 more side hustles. The last two is babysitting, which is self-explanatory. They both go the same thing, or dog sitting / dog walking. Cause how I was explaining before, Fiverr and Upwork and all them different things, you could go in there and, what is that noise? But you could go in there and like make a gig to where you're a dog sitter or whatever, and people are gonna contact you to babysit their dog or walk their dog around your area or whatever like that. Or you could do babysitting, stuff like that. But yeah, those pretty self-explanatory. That's it for y'all. Y'all drop down in the comments, get this to 10 likes. That's all. 10 likes, that's nothing. Come on, y'all. Get this to 10 likes, y'all. Like, I'm gonna be dropping a gem. My next video gonna be a gem. That's the one y'all gonna wanna see. The next video I'm dropping, it's gonna be a gem. After this, y'all gonna wanna see that. For real. That's gonna change y'all lives. But see y'all next vid, y'all. Y'all stay grinding.